Hello everyone, today we're going to demonstrate invisibility. We have a glass jar indeed, full of water, and we have some small balls. Let me show you. Small balls that can jump on the table, and their refractive index is very close to the water. You see they matching. See my fingers, I put it inside the water and they are inside it. It's difficult to see them, but it's inside it. I have some more, so I put another one, another two. I can feel them in the water. So I have some extra of these balls. It's a jar full of balls, and I put some more. And because the refractive index is the same like the refractive index in the water, or very close to the refractive index of the water, you don't see them. So this is one way to demonstrate invisibility by refractive index, the same refractive index. Okay, so here another jar full of water and full of the same balls. So this more or less full with the balls, and then it's filled with water. So there are a lot of balls, but it's difficult to see them because the refractive index is very similar to the refractive index of water. Well, I'll give a link below. You can buy this from AliExpress or from Amazon. And to make fun with it, it's actually the balls for flowers. So, seeding balls for flowers. And they're initially very small. Okay, let me show. There is water. It's not only balls, but there is also water. They're initially very small. Let me show one how it looks. And maybe one more. Then put it inside. They're initially very small, like this one, and then you put it in a jar, fill it with water, and then start to suck the water. It can be big for about 24 hours. It becomes this size. If you like the videos, you can give it a thumb up, subscribe to the channel. Bye.